Credit risk rating for advance accounts with fund-based or non-fund-based limits rupees 100 lakhs and above. That's what we are going to understand. So even before I proceed, let's have this disclaimer. The parameters what I'm going to discuss in this session and in the forthcoming sessions are based on the overall understanding of how banks rate or do the credit risk rating of their borrowers. So there can be minor variations from bank to bank. There can be some pluses, some minuses. So what I'm covering in this course is based on the overall understanding, and this is what most of the banks follows, and it does not mean that they follow this exactly. They can have their own modifications to meet their risk perception. Okay, all right. So what are the parameters banks will be looking at? Here I have listed broadly 9 parameters. To start with, the first one is financial risk parameter. This is basically a static parameter based on the latest balance sheet, where the bank will be analyzing the liquidity, the long-term solvency by going through the current ratio and TOL by TNW ratio. They'll also look at the interest service coverage ratio, then profitability, profit margin. Okay, so all those comes under this. Then they'll also analyze the dynamic ratios. That is financial risk based on the moving averages. For this purpose, they take into consideration past 3 years balance sheet. Okay, then they arrive at a ratio. Okay, and for that they give weightage. That comes under financial risk moving averages. Then the third parameter is financial risk, where the focus is on net sales, in what direction sales are moving. Fourth parameter is market risk, where they study the competition, industry cycles, regulatory risk and technology related to the borrower. In fifth parameter, that is the managerial risk, they focus on expertise and track record. And in sixth parameter, that is the security value, they take into consideration the security comfort or inadequacy they have with the primary and collateral securities. Of course, they also take into consideration the guarantees. Then seventh parameter is the capital market perception, which is applicable for listed entities, where they focus on or they dwell into the dividend payment track, PE ratio. Then comes the critical area, that is the contingent risk. So here they take into consideration the qualified opinion given by the auditors, then the possibilities of contingent liabilities crystallizing into actual liability. Then they also take into consideration the reliability of the statements which they submit to the bank, the QAS. And finally, the compliance aspect. Here they see to that whether the customer is complying with the terms and conditions, whether they are regular in submitting the stock statement, whether they are regular in submitting the audited financials, whether there are any overdues. Okay, so all these factors will be considered and they'll be given score. So under each and every parameter, we'll be discussing a different set of elements, and they'll have marks, and the final score will come over here, and that total will be arrived, and it will be compared with the maximum. Then a percentage will be computed. Okay, and that percentage on risk factor will decide the credit risk rating of that borrower. Okay, we'll get into the first one, that is a financial risk. It's a static based on latest balance sheet. Thank you so much. We have come to the end of this webinar, and I'm sure you would have really derived value from this short and crisp webinar. If you wish to continue this learning journey, I have an amazing opportunity for you. I have published several courses on banking and financial analysis area, each course costing 2,000 rupees. But for you, I'm going to give you a special offer. Here we go. Banking credit courses bundle. This includes course number 1, banking credit analysis process. It's a comprehensive course with 200 plus lectures. It covers financial analysis, working capital, term loan, LC, BG. It's a comprehensive ever course. Then we have course number 2, that is how to carry out financial analysis as a banker. This is going to focus exclusively on financial ratio analysis, cash flow analysis and fund flow analysis. Then comes course number 3, how to carry out term loan appraisal and analysis as a banker. It's a comprehensive course focusing on the technical aspects around project finance and term loan. These are all the topics. Then comes course number 4, how to prepare CMA report for bank loan through 8 sections. This course will take you through entire CMA report preparation process for bank loans. Then we have course number 5, how to read balance sheet. So if you are a non-finance person, this course will give you complete insight into balance sheet, how to read them, how to interpret them, how to analyze them. Okay. Then we have course number 6, how to read CIBIL report. By taking this course, you will get a complete picture of CIBIL report reading process. Then we have course number 7, how to prepare cash budget for bank loans. This course will help you to understand the concept of cash budget, which is widely used in short-term lending like auto credit facilities, letter of credit and all. So far I have introduced 7 courses of 1,999 each. It means 7 courses of value 13,993, but you are going to get it only for 2,599, and it is not yet over. I'm going to give you some more bonus. Course number 8, collateral securities, a comprehensive study. Course 9, how to carry out credit risk rating for non-trading entities. Course number 10, in this course you will learn banking credit analysis through various case studies. So now it is 10 courses of value close to 20,000, but you are going to pay only 2,599. It is not yet over, some more bonus. Course number 11, how to read audit report. Course 12, this focuses on letter of credit, and course 13 focuses on financial analysis in very short duration. So you have 13 courses of value close to 26,000 rupees, but you are going to get it for just 2,599. So it is basically 7 main courses, and you are going to get another 6 complimentary courses, 6 courses as bonus. So overall it is 13 courses of value close to 26,000 rupees. It's 1,500 plus lectures. You get lifetime access for all these pre-recorded courses. You can access them in desktop, laptop, mobile, iPhone, iPad, and the overall cost is around 26,000, but you are going to get it only for 2,599. So this is a once in a time opportunity for you. Enroll now. I'll see you inside the course. The link of the course I have given in the next lecture. So once you complete this video, just move on to the next lecture. You will find the link. Click enroll. I'll see you inside the course.